Let me get 100 waffles. Let me get 100 pieces of bacon. Let me get 100 sausages. Let me get 100 eggs. Let me get 100 bucks. Yeah, I'm at the Waffle House. I got this little blunt. I'm finna smoke that bathroom out. You feel me? I'm finna smoke that bathroom out. Hold on. Damn, my blunt in the car, bro. I'll be right back. Hold on. I told y'all I'm finna bring y'all some different content. So y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Y'all got to hit the subscribe button for me to bring y'all some different content, man. The more y'all like and subscribe to the channel, the more I can invest in this channel and bring y'all, man, different content, man. So, man, y'all stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment on the videos. Just like, comment, and subscribe. It's easy. It's easy. Man, hey, look. We looking for the baddies. We looking for the baddies. I'm out on the hunt right now. I'm looking for the baddies. I am looking for the baddies. You know what I'm saying? And when I say baddies, I ain't talking about no females. I'm talking about the food spots. With that food, with that good food, man. What it do, DR Empire? Y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy Sean Rakim. Yeah. I'm checking in with another video. I'm checking in with another video. Yeah, I know I just dropped one today, but I'm coming back with another one. You dig? You know what I'm saying? If you don't know who I am, my name is Deshaun Rakim. I'm the owner of DR Empire. You feel me? I am the owner of DR Empire. If you don't know what DR Empire is, that's the Deshaun Rakim Empire. And while we speaking about the DR Empire, I know it's gonna be a lot of non-subscribers on this video. So do me a favor, while y'all watching, make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Help your boy out to get to 100K, not 100K, but 1K right now. That's just our goal for right now. We're on the way to 1K. I don't know where we going. We just looking for the food, the baddies. We looking for the baddies. You feel me? But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You feel me, to this channel. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. All these goddamn dump trucks in my way, slowing me down to where I need to go. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we looking for the food, man. It's kind of a last minute thing, cause you know everything closed at 11 o'clock, man. That shit suck. That shit suck, man. Shout out to COVID, man. COVID, you messed everything up. You got everything closing at 11 o'clock. Even Walmart closed at 11 o'clock. I remember when Walmart used to close. I remember when Walmart used to be 24 hours. Then COVID came and messed everything up. Man, forget you, man. COVID-19. You stupid. COVID-19, you stupid. You stupid, COVID-19. How you call COVID-19 but you didn't hit to 2020? And I blame you too, Donald Trump. If it weren't for you coming up with this COVID-19, you look like you would say some COVID-19. COVID-19. You know how you be doing your COVID-19. COVID-19. Jackass. Man, look. COVID-19 and Donald Trump, y'all messed up the 24-hour Walmart. But anyway, I'm looking for the baddies. when I say bad is I'm talking about the food. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where I'm going. I'm just driving. I know I gave y'all a vlog today. You finna get another one. Not today though, because I gotta take the time out to edit. You feel me? Y'all can't be greedy. Y'all can't be greedy today. Y'all can't be greedy today and get 2 videos. Man, I know you lying. I know you lying. Look, I'm in Zaxby's. Hello? 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 Are y'all closed? Are y'all closed? Y'all lame as hell anyway. But yeah though, so it looked like Zaxby's closed, so I gotta go somewhere else. I don't got no more option. It ain't too much, bruh. It ain't too much. Too many things that's open. It ain't too many things that's open. The only thing that's open right now is, man, some mouths and some open legs, man. Damn. What I'm finna eat now? DR Empire, what I'm finna eat now, man? Damn. I gotta find me something to eat. I got noodles at the house. Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm finna switch the content up. I'm just gonna be outside vlogging y'all, and you know what I'm saying? I'm finna be myself. I gotta be myself. I ain't gonna lie. Usually when I record a video, man, I gotta be myself, y'all. Forget that. You know what I'm saying? But man, shit. Just like the freaking video, hit the freaking subscribe button. It ain't that hard. Hit the subscribe button. Help your boy get to 1,000 subscribers. That's light work. Y'all gotta help me. I know look. I know all my subscribers, they not gonna watch this video. All my non-subscribers, they gonna watch this video. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to all my non-subscribers. Y'all the ones who really making my views go up on my channel. You feel me? But look, I don't know. I'm finna find what I'm finna eat, then I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. For sure though. No cap. Yeah, so I'm pulling up to the Waffle House. The Waffle House. This ain't no baddie right here. The Waffle House, nigga. Yeah. Alright. I'm finna go order. Let me get 100 waffles. Let me get 100 waffles. Let me get 100 pieces of bacon. Let me get 100 sausages. Let me get 100 eggs. Let me get 100 let me get 1 waffle light. Let me get three eggs fried. You can put them together. Make them one big one.
Okay.
Fried on both sides.
Fried hard on both sides.
Yeah. And let me get you got T-bone steak.
T-bone. How do you want that cooked?
Well done. Extra season and pepper.
Peppers.
Like extra pepper seasoning.
Extra seasoning, pepper, that kind of pepper, not jalapeno pepper. Okay. You want hash browns or grits with it?
No, I don't want that.
Sandwich. Regular bread on all of them. One slice of cheese. Alright. That'll that gonna be all?
Yeah, that'll be it.
You were doing it on regular?
Yeah, I'm at the Waffle House. I got this little blunt. I'm finna smoke that bathroom out. You feel me? I'm finna smoke that bathroom out. Hold on. Damn! My blunt in the car, bro. I'll be right back. Hold on. They told me I couldn't smoke my blunt in the bathroom. So I gotta go smoke it somewhere else. They finna get me right though. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Waffle House baker. I said baker. Shout out to the Waffle House baker. I meant to say shout out to the Waffle House workers. They put their all into what they, I guess this is what they love to do. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna bring y'all number lit videos. You dig what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Everywhere I go. Every time I eat at Waffle House, it's always a 10 out of 10. I recommend. You know what I'm saying? So we out in Nashville. Make sure y'all come check out Waffle House. I know you got Waffle House all over the world. Some people ain't got Waffle House in their state. Some people got Huddle House. I never ate Huddle House, but let's believe I'm coming. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, we back. It's my man Crosby right here. He might be on camera. It's YouTube. We be doing art. Yeah. You got the Instagram?
Whatever you need an art piece, I got you.
You know how to draw real good? Or you just do like paint?
Well, I can just draw.
What's your Instagram?
Ultimate Brewster.
Ultimate?
Yeah.
Hold on. Ultimate. You said Ultimate Brewster?
This is the tip of the iceberg. It's like kind of my newer page.
Ultimate. See. I'm following. I don't got Instagram on this phone right here. I got Instagram on this phone.
I've done some artists.
I'm in the middle of a video.
Oh yeah, I've done some artists. This was like on my old page and stuff. I did this back in middle school. This should take me a day to make something like this.
You drew all this?
Yeah.
Gang, look at this. Y'all make sure y'all follow him.
Yeah, Drew Hansen, Ultimate Brewster 2.
He said he drew all this in one day.
Well, it took me 3 days back then.
3 days.
I could do it one day.
He can do it in one day.
Yeah. I'm not distracted.
You got something else?
I did this for a homie right here.
Look at that.
This
Nipsey
was all
Hussle.
back in middle school.
Nipsey Hussle.
8th grade.
Middle school. So you must just graduated high school.
Me?
Yeah.
I homeschooled my whole high school year, so I was just working here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. It's not bad. Homeschool is not bad. So that's something like that.
There you go, love.
All right, thank you. We got this one, Dragon Ball Z for the Dragon Ball Z
Yeah,
fans.
some spray ground stuff.
Y'all make sure y'all follow my boy.
We be doing just vlogging and stuff.
Yeah.
I was just posting memes too.
Y'all make sure y'all follow him right here. I'm gonna put it in the description too. Ultimate Brewster 2.
So whenever you need an artwork, I got you. That's just tip of the iceberg. That's done some way bigger things.
All right, man.
Hey, what's your name though?
Huh?
What's your name though?
Deshaun Watkins
Deshaun
on YouTube.
Alright, man. Nice to meet you, man.
All right, nice to meet you too. All right, you too. All right, see you later. lie though, I just pulled up to the gas station though. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm right across the street from the Waffle House. If y'all see over there, you see a Burger King and the Waffle House right over there in front of the Burger King. But man, y'all make sure y'all check Brewster 2 out, man. Ultimate Brewster. I'm gonna put it down in the description. You know what I'm saying? And I might put it on the screen. So, Brewster, if you watching this, man, shout out to you, dog. Shout out to you. But man, I'm finna get a couple items out the gas station. I'm about to go home. I'm finna get drunk. I'm finna eat and get drunk at the same time. You feel me? But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We on the road to 1K. You feel me? I told y'all I'm finna bring y'all some different content. So y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Y'all got to hit the subscribe button for me to bring y'all some different content, man. The more y'all like and subscribe to the channel, the more I can invest in this channel and bring y'all, man, different content, man. So, man, y'all stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment on the videos. Just like, comment, and subscribe. It's easy. It's easy. But I gotta go in the store and get some stuff, and man, I'll see y'all back at home. I chase alcohol with alcohol. Hey, Waffle House gonna always hit. Waffle House is gonna always be a 10 out of 10. I recommend. They open 24 hours. So whether you getting off work, coming from the club, or you went to sleep early and all the food restaurants closed on you, Waffle House is the place to be. You dig what I'm saying? It's your boy Deshaun Rakeem, man. Checking out with this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, we're on the road to 1K. Let's get it. So if you're a new viewer, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't watch this video without hitting the subscribe button.